Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I am Nisha for those who are new. Today we are doing a beautiful sunset, tropical, all those type of vibes makeup tutorial today, and I'm using the Norvina palette. This is the volume 3 edition. This is my actual first time trying out any of the big palettes from Norvina collection, and I'm definitely here for these palettes. Okay, I'm just gonna give y'all a heads up. I am happy with today's look. I'm definitely gonna come back and do more looks using this palette so I can really get my full on like play in the palette. So I am gonna later create a playlist using this palette of different looks that I'm going to be coming up with, so y'all stay tuned for that. But I briefly want to let you guys know, yes, your girl is back, full effect. And when I mean by back, I mean like the videos are back. I have a new upload schedule that I'm crossing my finger that's going to work for me, so make sure you guys check it out in the description box. But new videos are going to be up Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So that's 4 videos a week that you guys are going to get. And I do plan on doing like live videos as well, but not every week, but probably like every other week or like once a month. And I'll probably do those on Friday. So when I do decide to do a live video, I will update you guys here on YouTube, or if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I will update you guys on those sites as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I am definitely happy for the schedule coming back. You know, it makes me more disciplined to make sure that I'm bringing videos back to you guys, because if I don't have a schedule and I upload whenever I want to, I be forgetting. Okay, so I gotta stay on top of this. So I hope you guys are excited for the schedule. I hope you guys are excited for this makeup tutorial. If so, don't forget to thumbs up this video. But if you guys want to give me the shut up, there's a timestamp for everything, so make sure you guys check that out. So we're gonna go ahead and nip this intro in the butt and go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Thought I had the record button on, so I do apologize, but I already prepped and primed my eyes with Juvia shade number 2 for my base. And I do have on one of my cut crease stencils by Crown Noir, and I will definitely leave the information down in the description box if you guys want to check them out. But now I'm going to go in with this beautiful red eyeshadow from Norvina, and I'm going to pat this on my crease. So I'm going right above where that cut crease stencil is, because I really want this red to only be in the crease and not on the lid. I'm going to do the same thing with this purple eyeshadow. I'm going to take another patting brush and I'm going to go right above that red. And like I said, I'm going to pat the eyeshadow on first, and then I'm going to take a different method of a brush to blend it out. Alright, now with a blending brush, I am going to take a little bit of that same purple that's in the patting part of the crease. I'm just going to take that. This is going to help me soften up that crease area so it won't be so harsh. That's pretty much what I'm only going to do for the crease area. If I feel like I need to add any more of the colors, I will do on throughout the tutorial. But now I'm going to remove the stencils so I can get started on this cut crease. I'm going to go back in with my Juvia Eye Prep Eye Prime shade 2. I'm going to take this and I'm going to fully go all the way across with the cut crease. Alright, so this cut crease really don't even have to be perfect, because the main thing I'm going to focus on is the center part, because pretty much the inner and the outer part of the lid is going to be covered with the same colors that's in the crease. Alright, so I'm going to move on to this beautiful yellow E4. And I'm going to pat this on the center part of the lid only. This yellow is so bright, you guys. Like, the lighting is like washing this out. So now I'm going to jump into a beautiful orange color, going in with A2. Kind of want to go in A5. No, we'll stick to A2. I'm going to stick to A2. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the orange and I'm going to place it on the outsides of the yellow. So I'm going to go right here on the outer part, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And take your time doing this method, so that way you won't overshadow any other, eyeshadow without, on purpose. So once I have it on the correct placement, I'm going to go back in with that yellow, and I'm going to make sure that I overlap the orange just a little bit so it gives it that blending look. So it's okay to overlap the orange just a little bit, just so that it looks like we have this nicely blended out. And then you need to repeat and do the exact same thing to the orange again. Go back over the yellow and give it that blended look. So now here is the fun part. So I'm now going to go back in with that same red that's in the crease, which was C2. I'm going to go in and place it right next to the orange now. There we go. And do the same thing to the inner part. So now that all the placements of where the colors are supposed to be is on, the key now is blending. So if you need to go back, reapply certain colors, this is the time and the chance to do so. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. They make this look a little bit more neater. I'm going to go back in and reapply each color, build it up, make it vibrant, and of course, make it look more blended. Alright, so this is what the blended eye looks like compared to the not so fully blended. So I just want to show you guys the difference. Blending is the key on every single eye look. So now I'm going to go in, I'm going to do a wing line, and of course come back and probably do my face. I'm debating if I'm going to show you guys that part, but we will see. But definitely I'm going to wing out my liner off camera. Alright, you guys, and now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm really not going to talk on this part because you guys can pretty much see exactly what I'm doing. So put on some music and I'm gonna let you guys see what I do for the rest of my face. But if you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. But everything will be listed in the description box. I do want to say that Perlis, I do have a 30% off coupon code. So if you see me using any of their products in the tutorial, it will be an actual link. And like I said, a coupon code to where you guys can take full advantage. You can get 30% off on your purchase. So I'm going to start off with a new product that I got from them this month. So let's give it a try and see how this works. Before I finish setting the rest of my face, being that I have concealer already on my lower lash line, this is the perfect time, in my opinion, to add my pop of color that I'm going to put on my waterline before I set it and just have a big mess. I already have the concealer on for my face. This is going to make the eyeshadows a little bit more vibrant as well on the bottom part. And I want to bring out that purple that you can really tell that it's purple. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to pat this on my lower lash line. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of some inner color bling, and this is also the same color that I have on my brow bone that I forgot to mention, but this is the shade D2, which is a nice shimmery, I want to say gold color. I just know I need some type of like shimmer, something in my eye look. And I am getting fallout with this eyeshadow, so it's perfect that I did not set the rest of my face. I can easily clean that up. I'm gonna put a little bit of black liner inside my waterline. So I'm taking a black pencil. So off camera, I went in with my setting powders, Banana for highlighted area, and then Cocoa Kisses for all over around the face. And then I did contour with my Beauty Bakery Perfect Bronze to contour nose and cheek area. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my Hank and Henry blush palette. And why nobody didn't tell me this, but I thought there were no names in this palette, but the names are in the back. So now I can let you guys know exactly what blush I use. So little funny notes. So I'm gonna go in with, this is called Silly Sienna, which is this beautiful orange color right here. I feel like this would be perfect for today's look. So I'm gonna pop her right on the cheek. And I go overboard with my blush. I already know that. I really like my blush to be vibrant. So, and these colors do appear to be like vibrant, but once you blend it out, they do soften up. So I kind of have to build these up just to get it to my dramatic liking. But that's what it looks like with one layer. But I'm gonna put another coat. And then for my highlighter, I think I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. This rosy pinky gold color. It's really pretty. I mean, I love every color that's in here, but I think this is gonna be like absolutely amazing. And then for my lips, I'm gonna go in with a Live Glam. This is the lipstick called Ambition. So I'm gonna pop that on. For some reason my camera went dead and I wasn't even aware of it. But on my lips, I think the last thing you guys see me put on was this Live Glam liquid lipstick. I went in with ColourPop pencil. This is in the shade BFF number 4. And then right in the center part of my lids, I've been liking it to be a little bit more pale in a sense. So I put on this Fearless Belle lip gloss in the shade Nude. It's a very pretty nude color. And then the whole gloss I got going on, it is a lip plumper. And this is by e.l.f. and this is the Hint of Mint lip plumper. And it looks all disgusting and brown and nasty because I've been using it on top of like my lipsticks and lip liner. So this is not the true color of it when you first get it. Yeah, it was originally like a minty green color, but now it's brown because, yeah. But it still works. Still does what it's supposed to do. So now for the lashes. I think I'm going to go on, let's see. Should we try these? Should we try these? Do I want to try these? This is always like the hard part when it comes to my look is my lashes, because I have so many different variety of brands and style of lashes, but the lashes is what tops the look off. So if you put the wrong lashes on, it'll throw the whole look off. So I think I'm gonna go in with Posh Couture lashes. These are in the style Vacay Mode. Let me see, okay. Wanted to make sure that this is what the packaging looks like. Camera. All right, this is what they look like. So pretty, right? A quick sneak peek. I always try on lashes before I make a decision, but I feel like this is so, okay, yeah, this is totally it. So let me glue these on and then I'll come back. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I definitely am inspired by the sunset vibe, and I think this palette is a really good quality palette. This is like my first time trying out the big Norvina palette. So I don't know whose video I was watching, but I felt like this was not going to be a good palette, but she did good to me. Okay, she did good for me. And I definitely am going to come back and do more looks using this palette, just in case you guys happen to get this in your box of charm boxes, or you guys just happen to have this palette in your collection. I just want to give you guys inspiration and ideas on what to do if you had this palette. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna come back and do more looks using this palette, and I'm also going to create a playlist once I get more looks involved using this palette. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video for more makeup tutorials, and of course I'll see you guys all in my next upload. Bye.